This is Redfeather from Grep Haxs. In this Kdenlive video, we are using version 18.02. We will be showing you how to use 3 simple preset templates. Keep in mind, they are preset. So if you move the items around in the Kdenlive preset, you may run into minor issues and have to do some editing. Once you have opened Kdenlive, right above the project window, click the drop-down arrow, scroll down to Add Title Clip, and click. A Kdenlive title clip window will appear. These preset templates are located at the bottom right on the title clip window. There is a drop-down menu called Template. Click the Kdenlive template drop-down menu. Notice the first is called Simple Scroll Kdenlive Title. Then second is Simple with Date Kdenlive Title. And third, Simple Kdenlive Title. Let us start with the first, called Simple Scroll Kdenlive. So let's add some text. So click in the text area on the right side. This is because we must delete the words text here for some reason. Once you have done this, start typing what you want it to say in Kdenlive. Once this is done, move off the text and click, so the settings set in. Now it is time to add color or make text size adjustments. For the sake of time, I will only adjust the color in this Kdenlive video. In the Kdenlive title clip window, highlight your text. If it is highlighted properly, the pane to the right will be on grade and ready for use. In order to change the text color, in the pane to the right, where it says Solid Color, click the color bar. This will bring up all and any colors you may want to use in your Kdenlive title clip template. Click the one that best fits your needs. In Kdenlive, once you have done this and are happy with the adjustments you have made, then click OK. This will place your title clip with the simple template into the project window of Kdenlive, ready to be previewed from the project monitor or placed on the timeline for preview. Now, let us move on to the second simple Kdenlive template. Click the drop-down arrow above the Kdenlive project window, scroll down to Title Clip, and click. In the Kdenlive title clip, move down to the template drop-down menu and click. Scroll down to Simple with Date Kdenlive Title and click. Notice this simple template gives you a timestamp and text area, as well as a section for some background color. Keep in mind, you can add other things to the upper part of the Kdenlive title clip, like photos or other texts. So let's work with the Kdenlive background first and give it some color. Click in the area, and as with your text earlier, click on the solid color bar and choose the color to your liking. Next, we will give the timestamp a color. Highlight the Kdenlive timestamp on the right, click the solid color bar, and select your color. Next, let's place our text. As before, we must delete the text tier words and type what you would like to say in the text area. Now let's give the text some color. In the Kdenlive title clip template area, highlight your text, click the color bar, and select your color. If you are happy, click OK. For the third Simple Kdenlive template, go through the same procedure. Click Add Title Clip, then click the template drop-down arrow and scroll down to the Simple Kdenlive Title and click. Click to add your text, delete the text here, and type what you would like. Highlight the text, move to the right, click on the solid color bar, and select your color. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? After all, it is free. The intro and extra of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.